In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, trackable to-do that's tied to the right person or deal, so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start inside your Freshsales workspace. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation. Look for the Tasks area and open it. This is your hub for all upcoming to-dos and follow-ups. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so the labels are visible. Once you're in the Tasks view, you'll see your existing items and a button to create a new one. Click the plus new task button. This opens a clean form where you can define what needs to get done. Think of this as giving your task a clear identity so it's easy to recognize later. Begin with the title. Use a short, action-oriented phrase that tells you exactly what the task is about. For example, follow up on proposal or schedule onboarding call is much better than something vague. A strong title helps you and your team scan the list quickly and know what to do next. Next, set the due date. This is the date by which you want the task completed. Choose a realistic deadline that matches your workflow and your customer's timeline. If your team works across time zones, consider how the due date will be interpreted to avoid last-minute surprises. Due dates keep your pipeline moving and help Freshsales surface the most urgent tasks at the right time. Now connect the task to a related contact or deal. This link is important because it anchors the task to the right record, so when you open that contact or deal later, you'll see the task on its timeline. Start typing to search for the person or opportunity you want to associate it with. If multiple results appear, pick the one that matches the correct company or context. Attaching the task to the right record keeps your history complete and makes handoffs between teammates smoother. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task is now created and will appear in your tasks list, organized by due date. It will also show up on the associated contact or deal, giving you a single source of truth for what needs to happen next. If you don't immediately see it, refresh the page or confirm you're viewing the correct filters. That's it. You've added a task in Freshsales in a few simple steps with a clear title, a meaningful deadline, and the right connection to your contact or deal.